I am from Triad Solutions. So today we are going to learn about formatted tags in HTML. So let's begin. Let me open our folder internship front end here, formatted tags. So let me enlarge it a little bit. So our topic for today is formatted tags. Formatted tags in HTML. What are these formatted tags in HTML? So HTML and HTML5 supports formatted tags. The main objective the main objective of formatted tags formatted tags is to format the static content as per the requirement application requirement. Here an important point that you should keep in mind, that is all formatted tags all formatted tags are paired tags. So I hope you remember what are the paired tags. So the next point is following are following following are the formatted tags in HTML. So let's discuss about the formatted tags in HTML. So the first one we have is italic. The first one we have is italic, which provides italic. This is italic form. Italic form. The next one we have superscript. Superscript. This one is superscript. It is used to display in superscript. It is used to display the content in superscript. In superscript. The next one is subscript. Sub. And as I said, this is a paired tag, so we need to close it also. So it is used to display the content in subscript in subscript. Then we have tt tt, and we need to close it also. It is used to display in monospace format. It is used to display the content in monospace format. The next one we have is ins. ins. We need to close it also. So it is used to display the additional static content. Okay guys, so now let's jump to our VS Code and check one by one what is the purpose of each formatted tags. Okay. So now let me open my VS Code here. So let me open my command prompt, then code space dot, press enter to insert our folder in the VS Code. So here I am going to create day2.html, day2.html. It is now creating. So day2.html is created to bring the boilerplate of HTML shift plus one. And here the boilerplate is appeared in the title. I am writing tags, formatted tags. So here I am going to write first of all HR. Let me bring HR here. HR is used to give a line. If I run this code now on my screen, a simple line will be coming. So now let's run the code and check here. If you can observe on the top that a simple line, black line, a thin black line is coming, that is nothing but my HR. So now if I remove this HR for a moment, let's see what happens here. Let me cut it. And now if I now refresh it, you can see here there is no black line. So that is the purpose of HR. So now the purpose of HR is clear. So after that, I am going to bring up P tag, paragraph tag, as paragraph tag is a pair tag. So we need to open and close it. After that, U tag I am bringing, and inside it I am writing if, and I am here using subscript SU P superscript. Let's use first superscript I am using, and I am writing here if we, then again after this superscript I am using here TT. Let's use and let's write within this TT are if we are doing if we are doing. After this TT, let's bring I here and say smart practice if we are doing smart practice. After that, I am going to write we we will be a. Then after this, I am going to write for mark. Mark here. I am opening a mark tag mark just to highlight this thing. Software, software developer. One day for sure. One day for, and this sure I am writing in subscript here. So subscript I am writing sure for sure. And after that here I am writing here I am writing ins. Let's use ins here, and I will be saying here I am I am from Hyderabad. I am from Hyderabad, and ins is closed. And at the end of this, I am going to give another HR. Let's give some style. Here, don't worry about this style thing, guys. We will be doing a lot of CSS in the CSS section. So body background color, I'm going to give black. Let's change it to gray. Some better will be there. Then color of the text should be wheat, and text align will be center. Text align center. I am providing style just to make the representation better. So now if I run this code, so if you can see, if WE here, let me open the code once again. So W is WE. I have written this V in the superscript part. So that's why it is appearing on the top of if. So if you see WE here, that is the superscript. So now if we are doing, why this smart practice is coming in italic form, because here smart practice, I put that thing in the italic format. So that's why this smart practice is coming in italic format. After that, we will be normal, and software developer is highlighted because of this mark tag. This because of this mark tag, it is highlighted. Okay, guys. So I think I forget here mark tag. Yeah, I forget to mention mark tag here. So let me write the mark tag here. So mark is also a formatted tag. Mark is also a formatted tag. It is used to highlight the static static content of the web page. So mark tag is clear now. After that, one day for sure is down. Let's see why this sure is coming down. Let me open my code once again. So if you can see here that sure is written in subscript. So that's why it is going down. And here I am from Hyderabad is coming in the last. So now our next part is, so I hope this thing is clear to all.